Hello, welcome to COMPXM 2023. After capstone 8 round, each student will have the exam by COMPXM. As you see on the screen, 4 rounds and 5 quizzes. This video gives the details guide, step-by-step guides for students to pass the COMPXM with the top result from 860 to 960 out of 1,000 points. You can watch again the video 1 for round 1 because it's very important. This video for round 2, you have added 4 new products in round 1. So now you just go on with the top sale and profit. You have 4 rounds and you started round 1 with adding new 4 products. So you will have very good 8 products to start selling, much higher than competitors. Yeah, much higher than competitors. So for INT, we update the product. Again, I say it again and again, that do not copy the number from INT. You can use the number from marketing, production, HR, finance, TQM, but do not use the number for marketing because for INT, because INT is different from student to student, right? And for the price, you can use the same like this suggested price for your game, it's okay. And for promotion and sale, you can use the same. For calculation of sale focus, you can see that your game is quite close to this number. You can use the similar way to calculate the sale focus for your specific COMPXM based on you use the number unit we sold from last round. You see on the screen the third column, and also you can use a unit inventory to calculate production schedule more precisely. You can download and use a free Excel file with the link under this video to calculate faster for each of the 4 rounds, right? And after calculation, the sale focus based on the number of units we sold from last round, we can input into the game as you are seeing on the screen. For promotion and sales, you use around for 1,000 to 1,400. It's okay. And round 3 we can use 2,000. Round 4 we can back to 1,400. Depends on that, right? And now you see that you have input the sale focus. Now we input the production schedule calculated by the sale focus, deduct or minus inventory. We had the number of production schedule. Now we input into the 8 box because we have 8 products to start selling from round 2. Round 2, round 3, round 4, you will have the top sales and profit, right? We need to adjust with the balance with the production capacity, right? So also in round 2 we add a new production capacity for the old and the new product, and also we increase automation for each product. Trip we increase to 8, nano we increase to 6, and core to 6, and nano and elite to 5, right? So that's why we increase automation, higher automation for lower price products, right? And also we have enough budget to do so. We add a new capacity for the needed products, right? And for HR, we keep the same 5,000 hours and 80 hours of training, 5,000 for training and recruitment, and 80 hours for training. And for finance, we still use all the 3 sources of funds: stock issue, short-term, long-term loans, and issue 2 cents for dividends, right? Yeah, that's overview, the details, details for round 2. We can use 1,000 for TQM, and round 2 you will have very good sales and profit, right? Very good sale and profit. If you have any question, you can send me the email. If you need personal support, also send them email or question. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.